Hey guys, if you have Z3, this is 2001 or similar year, and you want to get to your OBD port, what you want to do is open the hood. It's located right here, but before you open the hood, if you want to get to your OBD port, usually OBD port's located right under the steering wheel. So usually it does located here in a lot of cars, but in this one, you have a sticker right here. The OBD, it's located on the passenger side. If you need a computer to plug it in, you go here. My cover is off, so what you want to do is take the cover off. It's located right in here. So you just pull on this, and that comes off. And there it is. That's where you plug in your computer. To get to your fuse box locations, it's gonna be under the hood. Open up here. And to open the hood, you're gonna have a latch right in here. It's located on this side. And you open it. And to get to your fuse box, it's located right in here. To open it, you have to just pry it. Just like that. And there it is. There's your fuses. Relays. And location's gonna be right in here.